Hello guys, you guys are probably here trying to get your free stickers, so I'm gonna have 3 videos that you're just gonna have to watch. Show me the notes for all 3 videos and you get some stickers. Now obviously I'm gonna be putting more throughout the week, but that's the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do. Now to begin with, we're gonna be simplifying rationals with expressions. And this right here is a rational with expressions. It has letters and numbers, so that's what it means to have expressions. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the 2 steps. So I forgot to write them out and type them out, but here they are. So step number 1 is gonna be look at the top and on the bottom of your fraction. After you do that, step number 2 is gonna be cancel binomials that are the same. So we're gonna be canceling things that are exactly the same. So let's go ahead and look at number 1. And like I said, I'm gonna try and make this video super fast. So if I talk a little bit quickly, you guys can stop the video and see what exactly I'm doing. So step number 1 is I'm going to be looking at the top and on the bottom of my fraction. I'm going to see exactly what is the same. So I can see this guy right here, the x plus 2, and this x plus 2 are exactly the same, meaning that I'm going to be able to cancel them out. So if you have something that's the same on the top and bottom of fractions, usually you can just mark them off because they become 1. Now, anything that's left over is going to be whatever my answer is going to be. So for this one, my answer is just x plus 1. Or actually, let me erase that. That's not true. Don't listen to me. Alright, so it's going to be x minus 1 on the top, and it's going to be x plus 2 on the bottom. And that is it. That is my answer for this problem. Literally, that is what we call simplifying rationals. Now let's go ahead and do another one. Right here, we're going to be doing exactly the same 2 steps. So step number 1 is looking at top and the bottom, and I can see this x plus 1 and this x plus 1. They're the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that out. Now, the only thing left in my whole problem is going to be x plus 5. But if you notice, it is below my fraction line, so it is on the bottom of the fraction. I just cancel out the x minus 1 on the top, so what's left? Well, if you remember, we always have an invisible 1. So the invisible 1 is going to take over, so that's what we're going to be leaving on the top of the fraction. At least for this problem. So it's going to be 1 over x plus 5, and that is my answer for this problem. There's nothing else I can simplify, so I'm done. As you can see, level 1 problems are super fast and super easy to do. So let's go ahead and do the last one. So the last one's right here. Exactly the same thing. I'm going to look for things that are the same. That one is the same as this one right here. So x plus 7. Once we have them both already set up, let me see. We can cancel them out. Now, if you remember, it's still a fraction. So technically there's a 1 on the bottom. So I'm going to write my answer as x minus 4 over 1, which is just x minus 4. But I want to make sure that you guys understand that there's that invisible 1 always in front. And that is it. That is the video. So if you show me the notes for this one, just go ahead, take the notes, which is not a lot of notes, just basically canceling things out. You get a free sticker. Pretty easy. And it just took you literally like about 4 minutes. So see you guys next video.